Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Messenger. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.